Assalamu alaikum. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Now, let's start.
Hi, welcome to lesson 35. Let's continue the conjugation of the present tense. Now it's time to know huma. Huma means they for dual. And huma we use, let's make this wider a little bit because we have something here. Look, what is the conjugation of huma? Huma, you start with ya, and at the end of the word you add alif and nun. Let's have an example. What is the default? The default is huwa, like huwa yudhakiru. So we said that we have here ya at the beginning and then alif nun. Let's replace the first one with ya. Okay. We don't have to replace it because it's the same. Yeah. Huwa. Oh, we have to erase this because we work for huma. Huma. And then yudhakir. And then we said that we're going to do what? We're going to add alif and nun. Let's add alif and nun here. So huma yudhakiran. Huma yudhakiran. It means they are studying. They are studying. Huma yudhakiran. Okay, let's have another example. We can say, instead of huma, like we know that huma for dual. No, I can say, listen, I can say Muhammad wa Khalid that's dual, both. Muhammadun wa Khalidun. What about them? I can say, for example, first we're going to add ya. That's the first kanji. And then yak to yaktub. And then we're going to add the end of the conjugate, alif and nun, yaktubani, and then ad-darsa, which means Muhammad and Khalid write the lesson. So as we say here, ya, and then alif and nun at the end, yaktuban. And you can say huma, and you can say two names, whether it's two masculine, and it can be two feminine, female and female, and it can be a masculine and feminine. This is for lesson 35.
Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with any questions or topics you would like to see next. And make sure to subscribe to support the channel and stay updated with new videos. See you the next lesson.